just opened up, so we're waiting for a setup real quick. I marked out some zones here. Getting a little wick now. Turn the music up a little bit. Okay. So I went and marked out some levels that price can potentially move to. What the fuck? I just got home, bro. What the hell? Make sure my trade copier is correct. Okay, it is. So we're trading the 25Ks. Bro, I've been losing crazy on those. Biggest fumbles. Is it a baddie or what? If this comes down, well, we have the VWAP right here. If this comes down and maybe we get some momentum, I'll take a trade long. Why you let her leave? Out of your league. Ain't nobody out of your league, bro. You put your mind to it. Might long it here. Let me see the 5 minute here. Kind of needed to build out some structure. Actually, it might just go here. I'm gonna just enter. Fuck it. Need an ES to push. If we hold the 25,600 level, 700 level, we should be good to just pump here. Come on. Need some momentum here. Nice. If this close strong, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna move my stop up here. We got a lot of room to go on the hourly, so it's pretty good. Take profit, probably right here. Alright, I'm gonna move it right here. It's close strong. It's got to close strong here. Nice. Come on, break. Let me see if I can take the highs over this. Yeah, we need momentum here. We're fucking cooked. Nvidia is just dumping though. I might get out. Push. Push. All right. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. I ain't no bitch. I ain't holding this. 10 points. There it is. 12 points. We got break even, and it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Come on, go. 12 points. 13 points. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was like a 30-point trade, bro. I should have went for more. Fuck. I should have went for more. Should have went for more. All right, bro. I'm gonna give you tattle while I sleep. Good night, dog. I mean, good morning. Damn, I should have held that long, bro. Ah. Fuck. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. Setting up for the 15-minute. 15-minute range is about to get put in, so I'm gonna wait for it. Got 2 minutes for this range to get put in. Getting a little rejection here at the zone I put in, but we blasted through that, right? So we might go up to these right here, the little internal highs, the little low resistance highs, little easy liquidity. Let's see. There it is. That's 15. Nvidia kind of stuck at the EMAs. Just rejected off the EMAs. Yeah, cause on the 1 hour chart, you can see we just rejected off these. I think that's the EMA. Yeah, it's the EMA. 21 EMA. Look at that big wick right here. Big wick top, big wick on the bottom. Very indecisive. So I'm kind of waiting for this 15-minute range to get put in, and then maybe a break of that. Let me switch to my other accounts here, so we don't give back these profits just yet. I'm gonna switch to my 50K accounts. And we're just rejecting like crazy here. We are back below the 9 EMA. Let's see if we reject off this 21 here. The 5 on the. So the area while I was expected to bounce is maybe here. We got a little EMA cross on the 5. Let's see the 10. And not yet has crossed on the 10, but we have a cross on the 5 here. So let's see how price acts once it hits these EMAs. Let some structure be built out here before you enter anything. Yeah, so just rejecting off of this little area I drew here. Finding a little bit of support. Let's see if we can hold it. If we can hold this 750 area, I wouldn't be surprised if we break out here. Let's see. We don't really have any news, right? We have home sales at 9, crude oil's inventory at 9:30, but not really any red folders. So we should be good on the news. We clear all day to trade here. Maybe watch out for the 9-minute or the 9-hour. The 9 o'clock news, because it's the orange folder, but it's not really gonna. I might go remove this, right? You don't need to see that, guys. Just at the top of this range, 15-minute range here. The hourly candle looks kind of disgusting here. Look at that big wick on the bottom. Now it's really putting in a big wick on the top. So be patient here because it is rejecting off 5 minute. So you really don't know. This is a tough spot. Usually, I give back money on this spot here. So I want to hold out. I need price to push above this and maybe hold this area here for a long up. If not, we might just be going back down here, which is not a bad probability of playing out, right? Well, we just need to see what price wants to do. What's the sentiment on the day, right? Does it want to continue higher, or is it going to range back and forth in the middle of this 15 minute here, right? Usually, if it's a little later in the day, I would short this little move like this down because I don't know. Usually, it's not a pump and dump right off the open is very rare. So we might have a little reaction back up here. I wouldn't be surprised, you know. Well, but it could dump. We threw the EMAs now. We are through the EMAs. Nvidia is struggling to push above the 9 EMA. Nvidia, yeah, we're below all the EMAs on Nvidia. It might drop. I just need some structure to be put in, and maybe like if it keeps rejecting off of this EMA and the VWAP, then maybe I will go short there. But look at it, it's getting a little pop up now, you know. So can't really be short at this time unless it gives us a really good reason to short. Right, so it still could be a long here. Look at this, trying to bounce right now off the EMAs. Like I said, we're at the EMAs, right? So once you hit this, there's most likely going to be a little reaction like how you're seeing now. So just let it play out. See what price wants to do after. If we don't hold 730s here, it could just lose the whole range. Very tough spot here. Because it's looking like it wants to dump, right? But shit. Maybe. If we get another push up here and then some more rejections off the EMAs. We could short that. We need a push up here. So we got a little EMA cross on the 1, but that really doesn't mean nothing. If we get rejection off of this again, I might short that down to here. Down to maybe the bottom of this 15 here. Let's see. Might be a little shorter. The ES also moving down here, so if it can move down with everything else, Nvidia is also trying to move down. Okay, getting a little push up here. Rejection. Perfect. If Nvidia can break through the EMAs here, might be a good long. Look, the 5 minute is putting that nice little wick here. That's a nice little wick. So I'm gonna be mad to long this back up. So on the hourly, it needs to push up above, maybe hold right here. We got 5 minutes actually. Still, the hourly candle closes, so we can wait. Be patient. Be patient. Don't worry. Be happy. There we go. I do think it's still a long. I don't know. Let's wait how this 1 hour candle closes. We have only 5 more minutes to wait here. But it's still looks like a little short though. You know, we're getting rejections. If we build a little structure here and we break these lows, it's a very weird spot, man. Look at the hourly. We are very bearish. very bearish. And then if we look at the 4 hour, which I have right here, the same. We are just dropping here, but we are putting in a very nice size wick at the bottom here. So if you look at that, the daily chart here, I mean, we're still up at the highs here, holding these EMAs. So, but overall on the hourly candle, we are bearish. So I mean, no clue here. Actually, I'm not sure. We need a breakout either direction. Either direction. It might just be a short. Come on. Going towards the new year. So hopefully we get some better price action today. I mean, it's looking like it was pretty good. You know, it's pretty good. Two little moves. You can cut shorts and longs. Could have made money today. We just gotta see, man. We just gotta see here. Nvidia is trying to break out from the EMAs. Yeah, we're getting a nice rejection. I might short here. I might push up. See if we can get a push up.
Order filled.
I'm just going to start a short. See if we can make our way down here. Only gonna risk the top of the range. Hourly candle close. Kind of bullish, maybe. That's it's a little bearish. I can see us dropping a couple more points. Maybe I'll take 10 here. If it gives us 10. If they even let us go below. Come on, keep going. Keep it going. Let us go down. Let us go down. Come on. Let us go down. Alright, if we get a little push down here. Ugh. Should have bought there, I'm not gonna lie. That new hourly candle, I shouldn't have bought at that new hourly. Right? It's a dumb idea. Stupid idea. That's a lot of volume here. I did not like that candle at all. Give me back to this here. It's a very tall ask at the moment. Maybe I add here so we can get down there. Let me see. Ugh. Probability of stop is very high. We're gonna see here. And just to push down and maybe break these lows, we can maybe get a short all the way back here. Nice, broke the lows. We had to keep going here. Keep going here. I'll move my stop to the top of this candle now. I don't need to risk any more than that, right? We need a push. More momentum here. More momentum. This momentum needs to continue. Continue this momentum. Come on. We broke these lows here. That's why maybe banking on another low be made. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Gosh, man, come on. This needs to go. If this doesn't go within the next couple candles, man, it's so cooked. Nice. Nvidia is also trying to make its way down. Like, come on, everything is pointing down, right? So we are going to see. This needs to go. God damn it. 5 minute. It's trying to go. Nice, nice. Need a more better of a push here. Push, man. Need some more follow through. I mean, we're just trying to dump here, but they're not letting us. This needs to go. Maybe sweep the lows here. I'm not surprised if they do sweep the lows. Come on. Come down, maybe, yeah. Sweep the lows. One more time before going back up. Not mad on this trade at all, right? This is a pretty good trade. I'll take it again. Hell yeah. Come on. I'll move myself to break even here. Got 15 points already. Let's see you looking to trail this. I'll probably take it at 15 points if it comes back down here. Come on, it needs to go. Now I'll move my stop to up here. If this is gonna go, it will go. Nice. There we go. There we go. There we go. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. We're not gonna exit early here, right? Because the reason is we're at break even. Why break? Why take it off early, right? We're at break even. So I'm going to stick with it. Should have took it. Nah, it's okay. And the dump here is gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Give me one more leg down. Yep, give me another leg down here. Take me out of the lows. It's looking like it wants to go. Nice. Trail this behind this candle here. Getting some resistance. Just needs to go. It's holding the lows. Oof. Nvidia is the only thing that's holding us up, I think, here. You can kind of see it. Looks good for a dump here. I'm gonna stick to it. See if I can catch this big move. See, I don't want to go for the break of these lows. There we go. 23 points. It needs to just go. Come on. There it is, 25 points. Looks like it just wants to roll over. 25 points, 25, 26 points. Keep trailing my stop here. 30. Nice, nice. Keep going. We're super close to my TP. 40 points. It's still going. We're still going. Oh. Chill. Chill.
Order filled.
There we go. We got a 30-point move there. Should have took it at the 40. Fuck. Yeah, we should have took it down here, right? But I think I tread a little too close. It might dump again. Damn, I should have took it here. Got a little too greedy. Still, that was a 30-point move, guys. So. Still, that was a 30-point move, guys. I'm gonna keep it on this account here. Maybe we take another trade. Dang, I'm mad I didn't take the 40 points. Should have took the fucking 40 points, man. So, dang. Damn, I trailed way too close, guys. Learn from me. Do not trail this too close here. I'm so mad. Oh my god, I trailed too close. Trailed too close. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. We trailed way too close. That would have hit my TP. Oh my god, I'm so mad. We might mess around and break through the downside. So you need to see some structure to be formed here for a break, maybe. If not, we go back up. Okay, price action way better today. Better than the past probably 2 weeks. See, if we keep rejecting off of the bottom here. Nvidia is just getting held up at the resistance at the bottom. I mean support. I'm looking at Nvidia on Trading View here. I can barely put it up. There we go. It has some support right here, so it just keeps on bouncing off the support, right? So if we can break up here with Nvidia, then I'll be very interested in the long, right? But right now we're still at the bottom of the EMAs, so shorts is in play. They really want to they really looking like a short here. It's really looking like a short. But like I said, we are in that little area I drew out on the daily. Right here is where it should bounce. It's where it should bounce. Well, we could just trade through it. So. Damn. That's a perfect bear flag right there. I might take it. Maybe let's wait till this till price comes and sweep the tops again. MES, if that starts to go, we could just go here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there is a little gap right here on 5612. That's a gap that needs to be filled. It doesn't have to be filled, but I mean, most likely it will be filled. Use that as like a little target, price target. So you do day right here on the daily. There is a gap right here. Let me mark it out. Little gap. Let's see. Very nice. Nvidia is also pushing up here. This is a nice little push. If Nvidia can hold the highs of the 21 EMAs, I might be interested in the long here. Long it back up to maybe the top or the middle of this range. Need some structure. Be careful here on the long, actually. We're pushing up to these EMAs. So, this is a nice little area for price to reject back down. Just be careful. Damn. Okay, so Nvidia pushing back up. ES pushing back up. So we're at the 5-minute EMAs on the Nasdaq. 5-minute EMA. Let's see here. It should get a little bit of a rejection here. Like a little bit. I think the ES is trying to go. ES really trying to push. Just wait here, be patient. Nvidia is pushing. ES is trying to push too. They're not letting price below this. I'm gonna start a long really quick, slight little long. See if we can get a push back up to here. Give me 5 points. I longed there because ES looked hella strong. It looked really good. Oofy. Yeah, it's putting in that wick on the 5 here. That was a bad buy. But let's see if we get a bounce here in the middle of the EMAs. We should get a bounce. I might just exit here for break even if we get a break even here. Okay, Nvidia pumps back up. Probably take here. Nice push. Nvidia is squeezing all the way back up. Nvidia just going here. Nice. Instantly got shorted back. They're holding it here though. Nice. Very nice. Give me 10-point move here. Seven, 9 points, 10 points. Oh, that's a break even. We still going. 12 points. It's still going. Hold the line, mate. Hold the line, mate. 12 points. Come on, man. Couple more points. Come on. No. No. I'm going to take it there for 8 points. It's okay. We can re-enter. If it didn't go, it needs to go right there. Or from how I traded, it would have stopped me out. All right. I'll take my 8 points. I'll take my 8 points. Right. Damn. Sheesh. That would have also been a winning trade. I'm just not holding my trades today, man. That would have been like a 20-point trade. Holy moly. I'm really liking the price action today, actually. I'm gonna stay on a little longer. Getting rejection now. See, I should have left my stop right here. It was right here. See, if you look here, I'll explain the reason why I got long there. If you look here on the video, right, we were stuck down here when we went up, rejected off the EMAs, and then came down and couldn't get above this 9 EMA for a good hour, right? Boom, 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 and then we broke it right here to the long side. That just gave me a signal, right? That's one of the confluence to get long. Also, ES was pumping hella hard at the time around here. So a lot of confluences to go long. The only thing I didn't like was the close of the hourly candle. That really didn't help. That kind of created that pressure, the selling pressure down right here that I didn't like. But worked out in the end, right? In hindsight, I should have held that. Nvidia, okay, we're above all the EMAs on the video, like on the 5 minute looks really good. We're just here, we hit the VWAP. We could reject here all the way or push all the way to the top again. They're not letting it drop, so this might be a little push back up, man. You know, if we continue with what's going on, we just get a push off the EMAs. I might it's holding the EMAs right now. Hourly, very big range. At this point, you just want to long it because we're above all the EMAs. We're above the VWAP. Like, it's a perfect long spot. So you don't want to short here unless we get below these EMAs again, right? So just wait. Getting a push off the VWAP now. Maybe if we get another push down here at the EMAs and then a rejection, I might go long there again. I'm gonna switch to my other accounts here so I don't lose these progress on the important accounts. All right, so let's see, we get a push down. Get another push down. Depending on how strong this rejection is, can be a short or a long. Let's see. Come on. Might mess around and get long. Let's see. Wait here. Give it a little bit. Give it a little bit of time here. Don't want to rush into any trades. We're already up. Good amount on a day. Nvidia is also trying to push. ES gives me a strong close here. Come on. So the hourly is stuck at the EMAs also here. If maybe we can push up above the EMAs and get right here, I wouldn't be mad on the long there. Looks like a good long though. Does look like a good long here. I need like a sweep of these candles, I think. Okay. Looks really good on Nvidia. Nvidia looks nice for a push. It's already pushing, right? So I'm not surprised. I will not be surprised if we push down and sweep these internal lows. ES is rejecting off the VWAP pretty strongly here. These two actually. Let's see if we get another sweep. This really looks like a long though. I feel like it's a trap, though. I'm not gonna lie. Just getting stuck at this fucking VWAP.
Order
I'm just gonna
filled.
start a long, man. Take it at resistance if we get a push here. It just doesn't want to drop it below these VWAPs, so. Nice little, there we go, 6 points. I'm gonna keep my stop down here. They dump this on me, yeah, so be it. So be it. We need like a 10-point push. I'll move it to break even here. I will not exit early like I always do. This is showing me it wants to hold here. Alright, so. Need more momentum. Push, push, push. Bro, we're getting stuck at the VWAP, like. Some rejection here. If we get momentum soon, I'll move my stop here. But if we don't, I might just take it here. Alright, it's looking good though. I'm gonna keep it on. It doesn't want to go. Go, 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 go. Okay, ES is pushing. ES is pushing. Pushing. 5 points. Momentum, keep it going. Keep it going. There we go. Can't lose now, right? Break even, can't lose. 16 points. 18 points. I might even trail this more here. It's a nice push, very nice push. We could trail this all the way up to the highs, but I'm not gonna do that. $20 points, very nice. Very nice. Come on, give me some more momentum here. Very nice pump. Very nice pump. Holy shit. I might even trail this all the way to the top, man. You know. Or like a 30 points. Break even. We not mad. We good. Some resistance up there. Getting rejected. Oof. Needs to hold. This needs to hold. If this doesn't stop me out, I'm gonna keep holding it. Right, so there's no point in exiting early. Break even. If we have any more steam, we go now. Right. We should go now if we are.
Order filled.
Break even trade. It's okay. Break even. We good. We good. And it might just drop here. Might just drop here. There's a very strong rejection. Super strong rejection. Should have took it at the highs right here, right? Got too greedy. Fuck. 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 strong rejection up here at the 5-minute fair value gap right here. So I don't want it to break. If this 5-minute candle closed below VWAP right here, we have a lot of room to the downside still. I would look for shorts at that point. But we're rejecting here, but you know, but if it rejects here, it doesn't mean it will go up again, right? It just means it could. There's some support, but it could just range right here all day. Very, 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 very possible. See my webcam, bro. How this looks. Don't like how that looks. That's fine right there, actually. Okay. Previous weeks have told me this could dump all the way down. But it has already done that right here. So what is the probability that it will do it again? Right? I mean, so today I really want to be out at 10:30, right? That's the time that's the perfect time. Like, I schedule in my head, like, if anything happens, you know, if it's a good day, 10:30 I'll be off. But I mean, if there's I don't know, price action is whack, 10:30 I'll be off. If it's good price action, I'll be on for a little longer, right? But we also made pretty good trades this morning, so imagine we traded all of these at the same time. This might be a short. Getting a push off the EMAs again here. Same with Nvidia. If Nvidia starts pushing, we can really go here. That's quite the nice reaction. There's Nvidia. Nvidia is going. ES can break the highs here. We can go up higher. I might start another long, maybe. See what this happens in the next candle here. ES is pushing off the EMAs. Let's look at the hourly here. I think the hourly 16 minutes to the hourly candle closes. It's pushing up right now through the 9 EMAs. So if it can hold above the 9 EMA, we are in a good spot for longs. Also, yeah, Nvidia is also pushing really hard. Pushing very hard. So this is what it looks like on the 4 hour. Look at this big ass wick all the way back up here. I mean, this could be the start of a bear trend here, you know. If the hourly chart can hold this, close above this 9 EMA, we got room to the top here. Maybe long it towards the top of this wick, or long it to the 21 EMA. That'll be a good long right there. But the 5-minute looks good too here. That rejection right here, very nice. I might take a long here. Nvidia selling off. Shit. If we make a low here, if we come down, make a low here, and break maybe this candle. If we break this candle, we are going down. Nice. We're holding here. That's good. That's a good sign. Holding the EMAs. We need more like that. It's slowly building out a bear trend here, right? I mean bull trend here. As long as it didn't break the lows of these candles, we should be good to long. Long bias is in play. See what happens there. Let's see. That 5-minute candle is trying to break below the VWAP. Let's see. If Nvidia breaks below EMAs here, we are probably good for a short. There we go. We broke the lows here. Jesus. Let's see. Nvidia is still holding at the highs, so I mean I don't really want to short this yet. If Nvidia can make its way down. Need maybe a little push up, make a little structure to short this back down. Okay, Nvidia losing the EMAs. Getting a push up here. If we look at the 5-minute, it's just a straight dump here, but we are in this fair value gap. If we inverse it, I mean that's more of a confluence to short it, right? So let's see what happens here. We got a minute left for this close on this 5-minute. I look like preferably I want to push up and like 2 and then short right there. Push up to his EMA, reject, and then short. Because Nvidia right now is holding the highs, so I don't know about this short. There we go. Yeah, push up here. Push up, yeah, push up. Push. Oh God. Fucking hey. Look at the hour candle, bro. What are you supposed to do with this? There's like no body. Okay, we're just dropping here. Nvidia is also dropping. Damn. Damn, I low-key missed the move, man. Low-key missed the move. Holy moly. Holy, Nvidia is just dropping. Let's see if we get a push up for a long here. I need some structure. We need some structure. We just inverse the fair value gap here.
Order filled.
Let's start a short. Might as well, you know. Let's see if we get a drop. How many points of a drop can we get? Boom, boom, boom. 6 points. I'm just gonna move it to break even here. It's a very, very strong push. Very strong push. I'm trailing too close. Nice. Yeah. Maybe we sweep the lows. Boom. It looks like it still drops. It's still gonna drop. I look, you want the break of the bottom here. Break of the lows. That's where I'm aiming for. No, not the break. Actually, look, I'm gonna take it right here. Take it right here. Take it right here for like 30 points. Come on. I don't want to trail this too close. Needed to come down and tap me out. If this close strong, I'll place this right on top here. It looks like it wants to go for these lows. I wouldn't be opposed to going for those lows here. Nice short, super nice short. Holy moly. I'm gonna risk maybe the top of this. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. We're gonna hold. We're gonna hold. I'm just gonna take it there for 23 points. ES is rejecting here. Nvidia is also rejecting. So very nice trade. Another 30 point trade right there, right? 23 point trade. Wow. Very good price actions today. They're pushing it back up here. We're gonna switch accounts. Keep rotating these accounts, man. Keep rotating these accounts. See, if we get a push up here and we get another little looking like a short, I'm gonna short that here. So. Yeah, good thing I exited. I don't think we lost a single trade today. Days like this, man. I love days like this. I might just size up here for this trade because it's my little. These not very important accounts. I'm gonna just. Let's see here. If Nvidia keeps rejecting again off these EMAs, I will short that. But I mean, this is a very, it's range. Look at this. You can see the range here, right? If we come down again, we might just break the range here. Like, we keep testing the lows. So at some point it's going to give, right? We keep coming down to these lows. It has to give at some point. All right, cool. So we're up today a lot, up like $200-300 here. Let's see. Just a big range. If you look at this big range, look at this range. And so we get down here and we get like a good inversion setup. I might long it because you can see it's a range. Very clearly it's a range. So we come down here. It's a very good range trade. Getting long back up. Nvidia is now hitting the EMAs. Nice. Push right through the 9 EMA now. It needs to break through the 521 EMA if I want to long it again. Getting a rejection now. Off. Look at Nvidia. It pushed right back up to the EMAs. If we can push back up and close above here, like how maybe like this right here, that took a long here. We can push up here above these wicks. Like, it's getting rejected here again, so yeah. For a long, I have to hold the highs. Right, hold the highs, then I'll be more convinced of a long. So if you're trading NQ, guys, you want to look at Nvidia. Like that will help you a lot here. And it's pushing right back up. Very strong push up here. So right now, maybe we get a push back down and long it again. Not a bad idea. But right, I sized up. I added one more micro for the next trade. On my 25Ks, because we are down a bit there. If we are gonna lose it, I mean, I'm trying to make it back. But if not, I'll just start some new evals. Because right now we're so deep in drawdown that like we have to do this, or it's gonna take forever to get out of drawdown, right? So. This is a very good price action day, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Pushing right back up. So the hourly candle, it still looks like shit, but it's about to close in an hour. So let's wait and see what happens. Like, what the fuck do you do here, dude? Like, what do you do here? You could short it, but look at all these wicks down there. You don't want to short it. Maybe a good short, low key, would be if we break these lows. That would be a good short. Maybe. We could just bounce from there, too. Ah, man. Hitting a little rejection here. ES is holding us up here. ES not wanting to dump. Just getting held up. If the ES can go, we could also go. See this fair value gap if it gets inversed. Yeah, I don't really want to short into these wicks at the moment. See if Nvidia keeps rejecting the EMAs here. We could get a short back down. Let's see. I'm talking about if we keep rejecting these EMAs and doesn't get above here, we could swing our way back down here. I'm really looking at Nvidia, dude. Like, there's the rejection. Looking like it wants to drop though. Nvidia. I need the ES to go, honestly. Come on, ES. Not quite yet here. Nvidia already sold. It's just a lot of wicks down here, man. Look at the 5 minute, dude. Like, wick. Like, I don't really buy it. I don't buy this at all. Like, it's gonna be a wick up. I'm just waiting for it, honestly. If Nvidia maybe can break the lows, we could go lower. ES is holding, man, giving us a little trouble. I'm saying. Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to go. We need. It looks like the bull is about trying to step back in, probably. You look at the 5 minute here, bro. That's definitely a very range. It's ranging right here. This is the range. So I'm gonna wait for a push up. If we get like a very fast wick down, It might just dump now. Nvidia is dumping. If ES can reject here again one more time, might be a dump. Oof. Nice reaction. Getting a reaction back up here. If we can get something like this. Buyers coming back in here. Might not be a short here. Okay. It's bouncing, but it's not very strong. Sweeping internal highs probably for a move back down. Nvidia is struggling to go back up. ES, so Nvidia and NQ looks good just short. ES is just right here. He just keeps bouncing off the lows. Here's the rejection. Nice. Nice. Okay. ES looks very good here. Let's see if we get another push up or not. Nice. I like that. Okay, Nvidia is moving down. Come on, can we get another push up? And a dump. I would not be mad at short this. Push up here.
Order filled.
Just gonna short that in. Short that there. Short that there. We can get through these. Get through the lows here. Oh my god. Did it fake us out like that hard? Look at that rejection at the bottom. Oh my gosh. It might sweep the lows. I'm hoping it will. Very strong selling pressure. Like, there's no way. If this comes if this comes back up and stops us out, dude, that will be crazy. Damn. We need some momentum to the downside, or we are screwed. That's very good. Didn't push up, right? Make a new high. Got stuck at the EMAs. That's a good sign. Ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Maybe make another way down here. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. We need that push. Need that push. $5 looks good for a short. Not letting us push below this candle. That's not a good sign. Oof. Nvidia is pushing back up here. That's not good. That isn't good. Push, push, push. I'm gonna just move this above here. We don't really want to lose more than I should, right? Probably gonna get stopped out here, most likely. So Nvidia is pushing back up now, right? So we're just holding these lows. We need maybe another push down. Give me another push down. Crazy how as soon as I size up, this wants to stop me out. That's crazy. Ugh. Might just be a long back up. I mean, I wouldn't be mad to long it, since this is looking like a range. I said it was a range too, and I don't know why I shorted it. God damn it. First loser, 15-point loser. Yeesh. Still rejecting off the 5. Look at this. So Nvidia just going back up crazy. Okay. We need a push down. Maybe it holds the highs. Nice. Okay. It's tough, it's tough. Oh my gosh. Wow, Nvidia is just pumping. It's still going, man. Still going. I might take a little long. Might take a little long off to here. If we get one red candle pushed down, I might take a little long off that. Wow, that 5-minute looks very good. We need to push down maybe to the EMAs on the video. Didn't break the highs here. Keep that in mind. So, pretty nice rejection. Nvidia is still pushing pretty hard. This could be a bear flag. Crazy rejection so far, right? This might be the short I was looking for. God, man. Strong rejection. Can we get a push up? Might enter for a short here. Maybe. Need some structure to be built out here. Because they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight over this trend line probably. They love to fake us out. Might be the short. Let me see. See how the next candle pushes up. Oof. There's the rejection again. Holy man. Look at it. It's pushing right off the trend line. Pushing back up. Nvidia getting held up at the EMAs. Almost 10:30 here. This might be a long. Maybe. No, I do think it's a short. Oh, look at the rejection. Look at the rejection now. I like it. Oof. Swipe the tops again. Which way do they break? Which way do they break here? I think it all depends on Nvidia, to be honest. Nvidia stuck at the EMAs. Need to push up from either one of these. Might be a short. Might be a short. Look like a short here. No cap. Looking like a nice little short. No cap. Nvidia. Okay. Getting a push up. Nvidia pushing up a little bit. Oh my gosh. We got to break these lows, man. I think it might be a short though. Real, for real, for real. Ah. Might be a long. You need something. We need something or something. We're struggling to push above the EMAs here in the 1 minute. See if we can break the top of the highs here. Nope, there it is. Nice little push. I like that. This is definitely just still range here.
One moment in time, your soul and mine floating up into the clouds. Two bodies under the moonlight, not even making a sound. We spoke about the truth to lead the way. Spoke about how you would make
And also here, let's look at this. If they want to do something with this. So it held this trend line here. If it breaks this here, interesting if it does. Just watch it. Right now it's looking like it wants to bounce from the lows, because all these rejections down here just gives me the little, look at this. They're holding this trend line also, so that's a very good sign, right? Have a lot of room to the upside. Look at this bullshit. Could be a break here. Didn't really quite push up to the top of that downward trend line though, so oof. Might be it right here. Get tired. Waiting for the break. Come on, it has to break here. Come on. Like one of these sides have to give eventually, right? Like what's the pump? Might start along here. Nvidia is holding. Tough. I definitely don't want to get short yet. So next time it comes down here and they get a wick up like that, I'm gonna start along. And that push, that 5-minute candle looks good. Let me see here. Need to push back down here maybe. And like a little bit of a hesitation. We might just go here. One of these sides going to break. One of the sides got to break here. At the top of this trend line, let's see if we get a rejection. We are getting a rejection. Rejection. Push down here, come on. It's like a breakout now. It is the actual breakout. Is this the actual breakout? I'm not mad if get rejection down to the lows here so I can enter. I'll probably enter it here if we can come back down. Make a little bull flag to the upside here. Reject it. Waiting for a little bit of rejection. Get a little bit of rejection. Come on, reject. I know they want to reject it off this trend line here. Come on. I wouldn't be opposed to a long. Just need to push down. Pushing is still pushing. I might just push back up now. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, actually. Just be patient here. We're gonna get a little rejection down, maybe like a little pullback. It's gonna be a little bit of a pullback. I'll enter long. Come on. No, Bears is trying to. Look at them. Pushing up on the S. The S is absolutely pushing. Rejecting again. Let me see this. Yeah, see, I need price to come back down here. That's most likely the place it bounces. We made a higher high, so I mean, if we respect this trend line down here, we're gonna hold it, right? If not, we can just keep dumping. We could dump here. Oof. This might be the dump. I might start along here. Let's see if we sweep the lows. Push down. Maybe if we get some hesitation, I'm gonna long this back up here. might just dump. Getting a little, okay, support, finding some support there. I like it. That's good, that's good. Don't go up too far now. We need to push up a little too much. Too much. Rejecting again. Oof. Nvidia is kind of trying to go here too. Might go back up. I'm waiting for a. I still think it's a long.
Order
I
filled.
was gonna start along here. Back up to here maybe. Let's see. Playing into the range. Give me 5 points. Oh, maybe. No, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Take me out.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. It's a little 10-point trade right there. There go, there go. Let's do it one more time here. I know that this looks like a long though, you know what I'm saying? It looks like a long. Let me get some more rejection out along it again here. Oof, never mind. Good thing I exited right there, right? It could also be a short. God damn it. Wow. ES moving down. We get a rejection off of Nvidia one more time here. Nvidia pulling up again. I mean, it's kind of struggling to go back up. Struggling to go up. Rejecting. Nvidia is rejecting off the EMAs. ES is slowly making its way down here. It's good. That's a good. That's a good. Nvidia is not cooperating.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
short it. here. Or to push to the bottom, man. Push to the downside.
Order canceled.
I took it there because it had some hesitation. I'll be right back. I have to go pee.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you want
Shoot. Nvidia is. No, that thing pumping. That thing pumping right back up. We broke the lows here, so I'm gonna break that. We can remove that. See if we can break these bottoms. Probably not, because Nvidia is. Boom! Look at it. All the way back up here now. So very lightly we just pump here. Holy. It's still going, by the way, guys. So. Might be a little long up above this range. Need Nvidia to pull back here. I'll enter on a long. Maybe. Or I could just walk away. Not gonna lie. Very nice push. If ES can hold the highs here on the 5 minute, oh my god, that's very nice. That's just crazy. It's going crazy. It's going berserk. Still going. Little rejection here. Okay. It's a very strong rejection. Off the top there. No, I don't know if I went alone. Oh, it might be alone. Yeah, look, as Nvidia looks very good for a long. Let's see, we gotta push back down. It's a nice sweep. ES is trying to push up also. Let's see how this closes here. Okay, I like it. I don't know, man. Nice. Oof. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wants to push up. Looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. Mm.
Order filled.
Just gonna start with one long. Wrist the bottom of this wick. Let's see if we can break the highs here. Let's see if we can push up, break the highs. I believe. Do you believe in magic? I like it. Oofy, 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 oof. Wanted to get into day trading. Any tips? Honestly, man, just start with a sim account. Don't start with real money. Make an account and then use a simulation account. And then, I mean, you could just take a like watch someone, copy their strategy, but like back test it first, obviously. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend using any real money when you start. That was my mistake. Definitely simulation account. Until you get like a tested strategy, then you can start with really small size like I'm doing now. I'm only using like 1 or 2 micros. Just take your time, man. Need some momentum here off the EMAs, or we might just get cooked. There we go. Nice little push. Now, do I move my target up here? I'm gonna move my stop up at least. This. Oh gosh. It would be so lame if they dump it here. They might. Holding so far. It's a very good sign. Come on, push. Three. Oh God, it doesn't want to go, guys. At least it's holding the EMAs. Let's see. Hold this here. If we get another strong push up, I might exit. Let me see. Very tough spot here, so. Ugh. I mean, I'll take one, maybe right here. Come on. Me. It was looking nice. Just needs a strong push. They're just not letting it go. We're about to break even now. There's the 5 points.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take the first 5 points and then maybe I'll trail this. Nope. Nope, nope.
Order filled.
All good. We got stopped out break even. Very volatile right there. Look at this, dude. This is why we trailed the stops. Oh my god. What the See? Yeah. And again, if you want to start day trading, right? This recently, the past couple of months has been one of the most difficult months to trade. So, I mean, I would say it's pretty difficult right now to start learning, but I mean, it's possible, man. Shoot, now do we drop all the way? That was a very strong rejection. Yeah, so Nvidia just dumped through the EMAs, so we have room for the downside. It might just be a dump here. I would not be surprised. Look at the 5-minute mark once again. 5-minute chart. A lot of support down here, dude. So longing here will be very aggressive. I mean, shorting there. I might just want to look for a long. Oof. Nvidia just dumped straight through the EMAs. If it keeps doing this, I might get off for the day here. I mean, we're up pretty good amount on a day. I'm not mad at this, you know, so. Wicked range we're in, man. Ugh, that shit is so ugly. Okay, getting a push again. And a rejection right back down here. Let's see. Look at the hourly chart. Nothing's happening. Right, we're stuck under the EMAs, under the VWAP. And there's a bunch of wicks down here, so we're just stuck right here. Rejecting again. I really want to long the range really down here. If it gets down here, I'm looking for a long actually. Unless it shows me something crazy, you know. We just keep rejecting off this EMAs, like. But I don't really think, looking at this price action, the EMAs does not matter. Does not matter. They don't give a fuck. mean, we've been below this EMA for an hour now. Like, something has to happen. This might be the short here. Short down to the lows, maybe. I would not be surprised. Is this a short? It could be a long also. Oh my god. Ripping straight up from a video.
Order
I'm
filled.
just gonna start long. Just playing into the range. Fuck it. Ugh. Should have waited for it to go down here, no?
Order filled.
Loser. Okay, we lost that one. It's fine. Still looking for a long down here. Shit. Damn, that's a very strong rejection. Holy fuck. This could be all the way. Push up. Push up. Maybe we go for the lows. Probably. If we break these lows here, I will enter for a short here. Just need some structure to be built. Putting a little structure, we can short that down. Let's see. But we are the bottom of the range though. Fuck. Back.
Order filled.
See if we can sweep these lows, like. I feel like we should be able to at least sweep the lows. It hasn't swept the lows yet. Here we go. There we go here. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep dropping. There we go. Oh, should have took it there.
Order
I'm just gonna
canceled.
take it there. It's gonna just rebound up here. Ugh. They just don't want to just go, man. Holy shit. Yeah. I think this is a long. Let's see. Top of this range is about right here. We got a lot of room, lot of room, lot of room. There's a sweep already, right? So it's already a sweep. We're back at the bottom of the range. I'm not gonna be mad. I might enter for a long. I don't know. ES is just, it's respecting the EMAs right now, so I can't really long into that. Why the fuck not? I feel like I could actually. Let's see how the 5-minute close here. Getting a rejection. With the lows, you're at the 15-minute range. Let's dump it again. Jesus. Okay, I like how the ES is respecting the EMAs. Like,
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for a short. Give me a little pop down. Just going off the ES here. It's been respecting the EMA, so see if it does. It keeps doing that. Not looking too good. It has to get rejected here pretty strongly. Might get stopped out here. Yep, there it is. God damn it. It's only one contract. I don't like how the ES is just holding at the lows though, and Nvidia's pumping. Like what?
Order filled.
What the hell? So we're at the lows. I'm really thinking this is a long low. After two shorts, like it doesn't want to short anymore. Rejection again.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Order canceled.
He doesn't want to go. But it looks like a long push down here. I'm gonna long that bitch right back up. Mm-mm. Okay. Need like another sweep like this. Or not. Yeah, I really do think it's a long, but you know, could be a short too, cause just because of the ES. Look how the ES is looking. It's just been respecting this EMA all day. It hasn't pushed above it. We're still below it. Like, wowzers. That would have hit. Is this a dump now or what? I need like a candle to push up here. I think we keep going, bro. What the fuck? I like that. I like that. We might roll over here. That pump up was very weak, so
Order
I'm
filled.
just gonna try and start one. Start a short. Very nice. 5 points here. Give me 5, bro. Give me 5. Ain't no way it didn't give me 5. Could even go more.
Order filled.
There we go. That was 10 points. 10 8-point trade. So I'm not really looking for like a home run here. Oh, but see, now it looks like a long. Since we are at the bottom of these wicks, so I took my 10 and got out there. Good thing. Yeah. And I really do think we bounce here. I think we bounce here. If we sweep the lows, we might probably will bounce. All these wicks. I'll be very surprised if we don't bounce. Be very careful. Oh shit. Here's the break of the lows, finally. Is this the dump? Is this the dump? We have room to go here. I might just short it down. If it gets a little push up. And yeah, video just going here. We gotta push up. Come on. It's the break of the 15-minute range too. Barely, like it's been 2 hours. And we barely broke it. Is this a long?
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna start a little long here. Back up maybe to the highs. Maybe like 5-point long. 5 minutes all the way up there. Keep pushing here. Nice. Ugh. Should have took my 4 points and left, huh? Okay. I'm liking that.
Order submitted.
Get me out. Super close. Take me out, man. What? What was that?
Order
Thank
filled.
you. Holy shit. Okay, now I want to probably long it to the 5 minute right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now we can't lose. Now we can't lose. It's still going. See how far we can get here. See how much we can get out of this.
Order
Taking that
canceled.
15 points. Voila, that's it. I took it there because we were rejecting right off this area of the 5 minute EMAs. And usually if it wants to continue downwards, it will keep going. It will reject off of here, right? So look at it. It's rejecting now. So I like that. I like. That's a very good trade. That was like 20 points. Yeah, look at it. So with that being said, I think that is my last trade of the day. Like we're up a decent amount today. So not mad at all. Green day about about $400 in profits today. Very good. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I'll be back on tomorrow, 8:30 to whenever, but yeah, have a good day. Be safe. Stay alive.